Now we've found out your competitors, let's find out how or why you're competing with those competitors. What are you competing with them on? Are you competing with them on SEO? Are you struggling to rank against those people? Are they better than you at ranking for specific keywords or certain products? Do they have a better product range, or do they have a better price? Do they have better service? Now, all of these points you can then say which items are specific competitors actually competing on, and which ones are we trying to overtake them with, because we can't overtake them for every area. We might have a more expensive product which is better quality, or we might have maybe a lower quality product but you've got a better price on it, so therefore you're competing on price, not on service. So define what is winning against the competitors for you, and then tackle that one thing. Now, as I said, if you fill in the actual worksheet using the link in the description below, grab that worksheet, you can actually fill that in and find out which one of these you're competing with your competitors, and then you'll have an understanding of, you can literally just highlight the boxes, which ones you want to set as a goal. And this is my main tip for this area, is when you're competing with a specific customer or specific set of competitors, then make sure you set a goal as to what you're competing with them on, because you can't compete with them on everything.